Welcome back. So I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Now, the reason why we are hard resetting is probably because you're not able to reset using the normal factory reset option inside general management. And now to hard reset, you'll have to go into recovery mode. So to go into recovery mode, first of all, switch off your phone. So let's go to the power menu, tap on power off and switch off your phone. Now with the phone off, the next thing you want to do is use your phone's data cable to connect to the phone and then connect the other side to a computer. With the phone connected and the cable connected on the USB Type-C port and the other side of the cable into a computer, now it's time to go into recovery mode. And to do this, you're going to have to press the power and volume up buttons until the Samsung logo appears. And as soon as it appears, you can let go of the power button and continue holding the volume up button, and that should put the phone into recovery mode. So power, volume up, press and hold. Just keep holding. Vibration, Samsung logo should appear. Now you can let go of the power button and continue holding the volume up button. And as you can see, that takes us into recovery mode. Now inside recovery mode, use the volume rockers to scroll up and down, and then use the side button or the power button to select. So what you want to do is scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, and then use the side button to select that. And then it's going to give you a warning. So you want to scroll down to the factory data reset option and then press this button to perform a factory data reset. So select that. Now at the bottom, you'll see wiping data, formatting, or data wipe complete. At the end, you'll see data wipe complete. That means the factory reset has happened, or rather the hard reset. So now it's time to reboot the system. So make sure reboot system now is selected and then press the side button to select that. So that should restart your phone to the original setup screen, having reset everything back to factory default settings. And that is basically how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A05s.